The lot that we picked was not ideally suited for a home to be built. This was the first time we've ever built a home, and we figure this is our forever home, and we wanted it to be the way we wanted it. And we designed this house. Hi, I'm Bobbi Mann. I worked with America's Home Place in the Columbia, South Carolina office, and we chose the Murray Plan. We had heard about America's Home Place, and we went into the office to check out their showroom, and that was the initial contact. It was just us walking in off the street. After we had initially seen America's Home Place, we went on the internet to determine which builder to use. And I like what I read. 4.8 out of 5 was the highest of any of the builders that we looked at. And we decided to go and talk to them a little bit more. We sat down with Amy. We got a very warm feeling from Amy. She talked to us about various options for our home. We told her what we wanted. She was working with us and trying to get what we wanted. And so we made that decision after our meeting with Amy and having ironed out pretty much what we were going to do based on the trust factor that we developed with Amy. Amy suggested to us that we choose the Murray Plan so that every wall in the home could be moved if we needed it to be. My concern with building a home, besides time, was budget. But when we worked and we sat down with Tracy, who spent hours going over the budget with us to make sure that our concern of going over budget wasn't a concern at all. He assured us that the goal for America's Home Place was to appropriately price the house so that they didn't have to come back for more money. We were very pleased with the selection that we were able to make for granite countertops, flooring. We love the flooring, the cabinets in the kitchen. Every single thing that we picked out, I believe, was standard. None of it was an upgrade, and we are very happy with the result. We needed to customize this home. One of the main reasons is because we have a hobby that we like to do. We like to make beer and wine. We don't sell it, but this is just for our family and friends, and we needed a room to display the bottles because we are very proud of it. We customized every bit of our home with America's Home Place. The lot that we picked to build on was not ideally suited for a home to be built. So America's Home Place came in and worked with us to solve that problem. We were a little unsure that we would even be able to build on this lot because of the slope. And Joe worked with us and fixed it so that it worked for us. And he was absolutely right in everything that he suggested and everything that he did. America's Home Place promised us communication from beginning to end. We knew when they were working on the house because, unbeknownst to them, we had a camera up that was feeding us into a live feed, so we knew when people were here working. And they were here working. Through the entire process, Dawn helped you get to the point where you're trying to figure out closing and the final details. She's very good to work with. America's Home Place cared about me getting the house that I wanted, not necessarily about America's Home Place getting what they wanted. All in all, it was a very good experience to be able to customize our home. And America's Home Place came in under budget and came in on time. I would recommend America's Home Place to others, and I have recommended America's Home Place to others. I was very happy with the job they did. I was very happy with the professionalism. I was very happy with the quality of the products, and most of all, I love our home. We love our home.